For task 10G, we need to use the same activity or task 10F, and we're going to list all the products. So that's going to be exactly the same like the previous one. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy and paste, change the name, and then I'm going to go to this criteria, Control C, Control V, and then just simply change the name. So this is going to be task 10G for this color, and they want this to be A++ rating. Let me finish reading the question. So they want all the products to be sold and the color and price and the energy rating supposed to be A++. So let's get back again here to this criteria. You can see we have A+ and A++. We need all of the double plus ones. So it is 8. It's supposed to be then, we're supposed to get 6 out of 8. Let's get back again here. We're going to put another criteria in energy rating. So we're going, simply you're just going to type A++, right? Like that. It's correct. But when you run it, you're going to get only one, which is A+. The problem here, what happened? They put double quotation for every single text. So what we need to do, remove the double quotations and just put the double quotations in the beginning and at the end over here. And then you can see we got 6 A++ rating. So this is only for this task.